For the following task, you will be given the beginning of a story. You need to watch the video and read the story. Then you need to write a creative and dazzling ending to the story. Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a small coastal town named Foggy Bay, there lived a young boy named George. George had always dreamed of becoming a sailor, exploring the vast oceans and discovering hidden treasures. His fascination with the sea was unmatched, fueled by the stories told by old sailors at the local tavern. One sunny morning, as George was mending his fishing nets by the harbor, he overheard a group of sailors discussing the upcoming voyage aboard the legendary ship, the Titan. Excitement bubbled within him as he listened intently to their tales of adventure and the promises of riches beyond imagination. Determined to fulfill his dream, George approached the captain of the Titan, a weathered seafarer named Captain Mudd. With unwavering determination, George pleaded with the captain to allow him to join the crew. Captain Mudd eyed the young boy skeptically. "A lad like you? What could you possibly offer on a voyage as perilous as this?" But George was undeterred. With a fire burning in his eyes, he spoke of his love for the sea and his eagerness to learn. Impressed by George's determination, Captain Mudd reluctantly agreed to take him on board as a cabin boy. As the Titan set sail, George marveled at the vastness of the ocean stretching out before him. The salty breeze whipped through his hair, and the rhythmic sound of the waves crashing against the ship's hull filled him with a sense of exhilaration. Days turned into weeks as the Titan charted its course across the open sea. George worked tirelessly alongside the crew, learning the ropes of sailing and proving his worth with each passing day. He scrubbed the decks, hoisted the sails, and even climbed the towering mast to keep a lookout for any signs of danger. One night, as the crew gathered around a crackling fire on the deck, Captain Mudd unfolded a weather map. With a gleam in his eyes, he revealed their destination, a remote island rumored to be the resting place of a long-lost treasure.